Do you need wireless internet in like your garage or out on the porch and it's just not enough bars? Well, in this episode of Good Tech Cheap, we're going to show you how to fix that. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be looking at the Rockspace AC1200 dual band Wi-Fi repeater. Yeah, that's right. This is a Wi-Fi extender. It's a repeater, so it's going to take your range to a whole nother level. I believe it's like over 2,600 square feet. As you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do an unboxing, so let's go over to Brad.
All right, we have the Rockspace AC1200 dual band Wi-Fi repeater. Need to extend that signal? This is the way to go. Let's get it out of the box, see what all we get. Double boxed. All right, we have the Rockspace repeater right on top. Two antennas that are adjustable. Just raise up and down. That is the only axis of adjustment they have. The WPS button right here. Your signal, WPS, and power LED. On the bottom we have the reset button and your Ethernet port. Then it will plug into the wall, of course. The rest in the packaging. We have all of our lovely paperwork. And of course, the quick install guide we will absolutely need to use to get this set up on our network and paired correctly. Well, this is everything you get right out of the box. Let's get it paired up to our network and extend our signal.
The Rockspace AC1200 will cover up to 2,640 square feet at 2.4 and 5 gigahertz dual band amplifier with Ethernet port wireless internet repeater. It can handle up to a gigabit. You can have 25 client devices connected. Zero lagging. The Rockspace internet range booster with Ethernet port eliminates the Wi-Fi range problem, pumping out interface-free, lightning-fast data capabilities to all the tablets, smart speakers, Alexa-compatible devices, Fire Stick games, and security cameras. It can handle up to 25 of these. Universal compatibility. The Rockspace Wi-Fi extender is compatible with 100% Wi-Fi 5 routers on the market and works with all standard routers or gateways. So no worrying about compatibility issues. You can enjoy movies, stream music, and listen to your favorite podcasts without Wi-Fi lagging or spotty signals. It has the USA Wi-Fi security protocol. Enjoy the best Wi-Fi performance by choosing a suitable band. 2.4 gigahertz at 300 Mbps band for long distance data transmission, or get the best Wi-Fi connection for a doorbell system, security camera system, powerful 897 megabits per second 5 gigahertz band delivers the ideal Wi-Fi speed for a house full of online gaming, video conferences, and streaming 4K HD video. So Rockspace has thought of it all. That's right. The AC1200 basically gives you huge range and coverage on super ultra fast Wi-Fi, compatible with all the newest routers that are doing like Wi-Fi 5 and stuff. So that's right, check them out. We want to give a huge shout out to Rockspace for sponsoring this video, and we hope that you guys have learned a thing or two about Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi extenders. But make sure you guys check out our sponsor link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next review. Later.